Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which I'm going to refurbish this Nokia 7610 Supernova. Its body shell, it's pretty messed up. Well, here and there, mostly everywhere. And I have this one. Also an old one that has a better body shell, just needs a lot of cleaning. I'll actually tear them both apart and take the best out of both and make one functional. This one, I think it has either a broken flex cable, even the slide mechanism isn't so great on this one. Yeah. Or the display is broken. Either way, this one is fully functional. Just needs a new body shell. So yeah, let's begin with this busted one. Let me just turn it off by pressing directly on the motherboard. There we go. Take this off. Fell by itself, nice. Since they are both working, I'm gonna keep the motherboard from the one that has the email written on the back. Let's see who has the good back, to say like that. Oh, alright. Here is the flex cable for the slide. Just gently take it out so I don't wreck anything else. Oh, this just falls like that. Okay, good to know. Here are these parts and the motherboard. I see there is no other screw here. Only those clamps. I think this front cover just slides in. Ha, get it? Slides in. Oh. And there we have it. The slide with the display and everything. I'm going to take this full. This thing, well, I'm only gonna keep the buttons, just in case when I look closer I think that those buttons are in better shape than those ones. Comparing it like this, oh, nice, this is detachable. Good. Oh, it's glued. No biggie, I have glue. I'm also taking this thing. Alright. This I'm not. Okay, let's put this here and begin disassembling this one. Oh, it's just sticked here. Okay then. Huh. All right. Well, I don't get it then. Either is the display with problems. Fix that later. The display is glued here, obviously. I'm risking and taking it off because, well, this one doesn't actually work, so yeah. Nothing to see here. The slide is intact, then what's the problem that it's not working? And now to try and fix this. It has some dirt in it. When I say dirt, I mean like anything that's dirty. Oh. And this the most definitely looks more like earwax. Ugh. Oh my god. This display also fixable. Well, fixable, I mean cleanable. And I'll just take this apart. Because on the other one, it has less scratches, believe it or not. Oh yeah. Now to check these two parts. Well, they kind of look the same. No big problems whatsoever, and this one is less dusty, so this is what I will be using. From the left corner, these parts. From the right corner, these parts. Now, the buttons. They're evenly scratched, but this one still has some chrome on it. So, this one it is, this one is not. Now, these buttons, clearly this one. Next up, the battery cover. They're both terrible. This one actually is less terrible, and you can still see some Nokia writing here. But it's missing the power button, which what's this thing? Oh, this is the USB. Yeah, the law requires me that I use this one. Yeah, this one it is. Also the motherboard from this one, the display from this one, this little piece from this one, charging port. This one is less dirty. So I have myself a Nokia, a make your own Nokia 7610. The batteries are both good, so not a problem. Yeah, the speakers are in this little part. Let me just disassemble it for you. There we go. This side as well. All that's left is this side that I can't actually open because I don't have the room for it. Okay, finally it opened, and here we have the speaker. And what's the, oh, I think this is the antenna. Yeah, this is the antenna. Nice. Now I can properly clean this. Well, here's a before I cleaned it. and I think I'm gonna use that polish on this thing. And I'm going to show you after I cleaned it. Let's see if it's a difference.